We will learn how to install HTML or custom signature on Titan Mail. Actually, Titan Mail is part of Hostinger. For installation, first of all, we will go to settings, then click on preferences. Then we will see a tab on our left side. Here we will search signatures. Click on this. Then click on create a custom email signature. Click here. Now we will click on a HTML view. Then we will move to our folder where we have put our HTML signature. I will open a HTML file, copy this and paste in signature box. After that, click on preview. Wow, our signature is installed. Let's see, everything is working perfectly. Even animation is working fine here. Now click on save. Select here your signature name, which one you have right on the top. We will write name here, signature. Then click on save. Back to email. Click on new mail. Let's see, here everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.